Hi YouTubers, RV Debs here. A stormy day all over the area. I'm fine with it, but Rosie is paranoid. I will show you what happens with Rosie. Sorry, I'm gonna try to move my camera slowly. Rosie, come on over here and sit with me. Come on. Okay. It's just been raining and storming and thunder, lightning. I want to show you this painting. If I can get it somewhere where you can see it. I changed her eyes to green and made her smile because she was kind of scary. And I didn't think anybody would like her because I didn't even like her. So now I like her a little better. Not much, but I do like her. Let's see what it looks like outside, shall we? Stay. Look at the sky. It stopped raining though, kinda. Yeah, another one of those stormy days. But I can tell you that after living in a RV since June of last year, I don't get as freaked out as I used to. Rosie, though, however, she does. It's okay. And Lily is okay, right? Yeah, so they're hanging out with me. I don't blame them. Oh, man. Yeah. Well, we're in Baldwin County here, and so we're in a tornado watch, not a warning. A warning is when you got to take cover. What's the matter? And severe thunderstorms right where we are, I guess. I think we're like, I don't know where we are. Where are we? Okay. So we're located Robertsdale. And which is down there. Colorful, huh? Quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles are expected. Wind damage to roofs, trees. But we're not in those counties. But we're close. Yeah. Interesting, huh? Very interesting. Let's look out my back window. And you can see, it's funny how one day is absolutely gorgeous, blue skies, you know, and then the next day, this is what happens. What's the matter, Rose? It's not even raining. Okay, that's enough of this kind of fun stuff. Talk with you guys later. Hope you're having a better day. Although I'm not having a bad day, I must say. I'm in a good frame of mind. I just wish that the storm was done. Lily. Lily. Hey. Okay, chew your leg. I was gonna show you how cute she is, but she's chewing her foot. Hey. Hey. Lily. Okay. Whatever. What are you doing? Stop it. She keeps getting on me. Rosie. I'm sorry, baby. I'll hold you. Okay, I'm going to hold Rosie for a while and watch television. Talk at you later. Peace out.